we are cooking with a local chili pepper rockfish. We marinate the fish overnight with a sauce that also you can find the recipe with the rest of the other recipes that we have. Let's get cooking. We're gonna put the fish in the oven 5 minutes on each side. Flip it over. Make sure you got seasoning on both sides, salt and pepper. Put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Make sure it's fully cooked. And then the last 2 minutes, I like to put a piece of lemon on the same grill, just for some flavor. Then when it's ready, all you have to do is just make sure you plate any way you like it. I like to put the skin down, and then we make the salad with the fresh fennel, radishes, parsley leaves, and then at the end just some fresh olive oil, salt and pepper. Place that in the middle, and the chimichurri will go on the side. And then at the end, all you have to do is just sprinkle some sea salt, and you're good to go.